Welcome to the Natural Kaos App. If you're new here, you are in the right place. This video will show you how our app works and how to navigate it effectively. Please note that this is not a static app, but rather a constantly evolving platform that adds new content daily, a feature we've maintained since the summer of 2020. Like Instagram, our members, you, add content daily. We also have weekly lives from our Skin Squad team, sharing how to use different products. And I go live monthly, sharing a new demo on something I'm doing. As a member, you are also welcome to go live, upload photos and/or videos, and share them with our growing community. You can use our community app from either the app on your phone or from your computer. The app opens to the home screen. You can tell you're on the home screen because at the bottom you'll see a home icon highlighted. The home screen feed features the most recent content, including any sales, and it's all presented in chronological order, making it very timely. Next to the home icon, you will see a navigation spyglass icon. You can click this. It opens to the new page. In new, you'll find everything that's been posted by everyone inside the app, organized in chronological order. This is a great way to meet new friends and discover what everyone is doing or what they're interested in. This is how you make friends and get to know the community. If you swipe left, you'll find the featured page. This is where current sales, recent lives, and YouTube videos are organized. It's also where we feature great posts from our members that we think you'll want to see. If you swipe left again, you'll find the admin page. This is where you can find all posts and lives done by our Skin Squad and me. To view all the content I've posted or any other member has posted, click on their profile circle. This will take you to their profile. You can scroll through everything in chronological order. Back to the bottom of the screen. If you click the plus icon, this is how you make a post, which we highly recommend you do. We love it when our new members join and immediately post about themselves, why they're here, how they found us, and what they're excited to tackle. Through this plus icon, you can write a post, take a photo, take a video, share a picture or video from your camera roll, or go live. If you go live or post, we ask that you follow our guidelines. No wine while performing procedures. And please refrain from self-promotion. The next tab is the activity icon, which is where you can quickly see when someone has responded to your post and engage with them. All right, let's return to the home screen. In the upper left-hand corner, you'll see the 3 horizontal lines. Click it. This is where you find a lot more information. At the top, you'll find groups. We have 32 groups, and you can expand the list. You will find groups based on topics you might be interested in. For instance, the TCA Peel Guide or the Dermal Filler Unit. In these groups, you'll find this content listed in chronological order, so you can scroll and binge. You will also find our vetted vendors list, where you can shop and obtain the supplies you are interested in. Below groups, you will find search. Our app is searchable by hashtag. So when you post, please include hashtags to make your content searchable. This brings me to another point in our app. Originally, we were categorizing all content into the appropriate group, but unfortunately at this moment, groups are not searchable, and we know this is a significant drawback. Moving forward, we kindly request that you post in the main feed and not within groups, as this ensures your post is visible on the new page and searchable. Review the existing hashtags and use a few of them to tag your post accurately. For instance, if you're doing a toxin treatment with Inatox, hashtag it, hashtag toxin, and hashtag Inatox. This will make it searchable for years to come. This navigation guide can be found under app tutorial, so you can always refer to it if you get confused. Returning to the home screen, you can see that we have pinned the peptide group to the top. If you are here for peptide information, this group offers key insights, including peptide sourcing with promo codes, as well as valuable information shared by our members as they navigate the world of peptides. Let's go to a profile. We'll use mine. If you scroll my profile, you will see everything I've posted in chronological order, including all of my live demos. Under each of my lives or posts, you will see in the caption that we include all the links to whatever I'm using. This is the same with all Skin Squad members. You can check out any of their lives and see in the caption what products they are using and where to source. I also make a lot of YouTube videos. As you scroll through my feed, you will come across reels I've created from those videos, along with the links back to the main video and the associated blog post. My blog posts are found on naturalkaos.com and are rich with information and include additional photos to support your understanding of each topic. On my website, you will also find free face maps and tox layout sheets to print and use for your next treatment. Here's a tip. Sometimes when you log in to watch a live that's actually live streaming at the time in the app, the screen might be black. If this happens, please exit the app and come back in. This usually resolves itself. Additionally, during the live event, a live chat is available. This live chat can sometimes be annoying if you want to see uninterrupted detail. If you tap on the screen, the chat will disappear, allowing you to have a clearer view. Furthermore, the live chats are only available during the actual live streams. Therefore, if you watch a live stream after it has been processed in replay, you will no longer see the chat. If you have questions about your membership, please email membership@naturalkaos.com. Please don't DM me on my social media accounts, as I don't handle this side of the app. Instead, I'll direct you to email membership@naturalkaos.com. This email is checked daily and is very responsive. Lastly, this is a community of responsible adults. Just because you now have access to the world of aesthetics doesn't mean you are ready for every procedure. We want to consistently instill safety and a high level of respect for many of these protocols, especially those related to filler. You can perform your own filler and CH filler, but these are very technical procedures that require time to gain knowledge on. The last thing I ever want to see in our app is someone giving themselves a vascular occlusion. This can be serious, which is why I stress if you're going to order filler, you need to order hyaluronidase. This will allow you to quickly dissolve any issue. With this in mind, we have a safety unit under the groups, and you should make sure to review this unit, especially before you work with filler. And heads up, CH filler cannot be dissolved, so you need to be very, very careful with it and very well versed on using it. With all this said, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. You will not only find a treasure trove of organized information to get you on your journey, but an extremely caring and open community of people who love aesthetics and self-improvement. Don't be afraid to make a post, even when something doesn't go right. There is no shaming here, and I hope my crooked smile proves it. We are on a journey together, and the more you share, the more we learn and grow together. I love you guys, and thank you for being here.